Picking the right web hosting provider can feel overwhelming. There are dozens of companies, each claiming to be the best. In the next few minutes, you will get a clear, beginner-friendly breakdown of the top 7 hosting platforms for websites and blogs in 2026. By the end, you will know exactly which one matches your goals, your budget, and your skill level. Before comparing providers, let us understand what web hosting actually is. Hosting is the service that makes your website visible on the internet. All your pages, images, and files live on a powerful computer called a server, which stays online 24 hours a day. When someone types your domain name, their browser requests the files from that server and displays your website almost instantly. Without hosting, your domain name is just an address with nothing behind it. Every good hosting provider focuses on 6 essentials. First, speed, because fast pages keep visitors engaged and rank higher on Google. Second, uptime, meaning your site stays reachable nearly every minute of the year. Third, security features like free SSL certificates and regular backups. Fourth, friendly customer support available day and night. Fifth, honest pricing so you are not shocked by renewal costs. And sixth, room to grow so your plan can scale as your traffic increases. Starting with our top pick, HostGator offers the best overall value in 2026. Plans often start below $3 per month, yet you still get blazing fast servers powered by modern storage and caching technology. The dashboard is custom-built for beginners, with a one-click installer for WordPress and other popular platforms. You also get a free domain, a free SSL certificate, and weekly backups. If you are launching your very first website on a tight budget, HostGator is hard to beat. Number 2 on our list is Bluehost, officially recommended by WordPress for more than a decade. When you sign up, WordPress comes pre-installed, so your site can be live within minutes. The control panel is clean and approachable, and the company offers reliable phone and live chat support around the clock. You also get a free domain for the first year and a free SSL certificate. For anyone starting a WordPress blog or small business site, Bluehost is a trusted and popular starting point. In third place, we have SiteGround. This provider runs on Google Cloud infrastructure and is respected for premium performance and top-tier support. Their customer service is frequently rated the best in the industry, with fast, technical, and patient responses. You also get advanced security, daily backups, and free site migrations handled by experts. SiteGround costs a bit more than budget options, but if you are running a growing business that cannot afford downtime, the investment is well worth it. Fourth on our list is DreamHost, a long-standing name known for honesty and privacy. Most shared plans come with unlimited bandwidth and storage, plus free domain privacy is included by default. What really sets them apart is the industry-leading 97-day money-back guarantee, giving you plenty of time to test the service. DreamHost is also officially recommended by WordPress, so it is an excellent pick for bloggers who value transparency, simplicity, and a long trial window. Coming in at number 5 is A2 Hosting, the favorite of developers and speed enthusiasts. Their turbo servers claim to deliver page loads up to 20 times faster than standard hosting. You can choose data centers in different continents to be closer to your audience. They also offer advanced tools like SSH access, Git integration, and multiple PHP versions, all backed by an anytime money-back guarantee. If performance and developer features matter more than the lowest possible price, A2 is a strong choice. Number 6 on our list is HostGator, a longtime favorite known for flexibility. They are one of the few big providers that still offer true month-to-month billing, so you are not locked into a multi-year contract. You also get unmetered bandwidth, a free domain in most plans, and a generous 45-day money-back guarantee. Their drag-and-drop website builder is perfect for anyone who does not want to touch code. HostGator is ideal if you want flexibility, without long commitments. Rounding out our list at number 7 is GoDaddy, the most recognizable name in domains and hosting. Their biggest advantage is convenience. You can register a domain, set up hosting, create professional email, and launch a website all inside one dashboard. Their global network and large multilingual support team make it easy to get help in your language. GoDaddy costs slightly more than others, but if you want an all-in-one solution and hate juggling separate services, it is a solid and dependable pick. So how do you choose the right one? It comes down to what you are building. If you are on a tight budget, go with HostGator or DreamHost. Starting a WordPress blog as a beginner, pick Bluehost. Running a growing business that needs premium speed, choose SiteGround. Developer working on custom projects, grab A2 hosting. Want month-to-month flexibility? HostGator is your friend. Prefer an all-in-one solution? GoDaddy is the safest bet. And one pro tip, always check the renewal price before you buy. To quickly recap, HostGator is the best overall value. Bluehost makes WordPress easy. SiteGround delivers premium speed. DreamHost protects your privacy. A2 hosting is built for developers. HostGator offers flexible billing, and GoDaddy bundles everything in one place. Start with the plan that fits today, then upgrade as your traffic grows. If this guide helped you make a confident decision, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech breakdowns. Good luck and happy hosting!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.